Welcome to your practice. Find a comfortable seat. Gently close your eyes, relax your shoulders, feel your breath. Drop your chin to your chest, begin gentle circles, move with your breath. Extend your arms forward, make slow circles with your wrists. Inhale, right hand behind you, left hand on your knee. And switch sides. Extend legs wide. Lean toward the right leg. And inhale, go back. Lean toward the left leg. Exhale. Bring the soles of your feet together for a butterfly pose. Come to all fours. Repeat a few cycles of cat-cow. Inhale, arch your spine. Exhale, round. Flip your palms up, fingers towards knees. Gently rock forward and back. Come into lizard pose. Step right foot outside right hand. Come back, stretch the right leg. Come to a lunge. Twist in wall lunge, right arm reaches back, left arm forward. Rise into high lunge, arms overhead, exhale. Arms up, straighten front leg, inhale, and exhale, cactus arms, bend front knee, repeat a few times. Arms on the ground, left hand stays on the ground, and pivot to side plank. Right foot over the left, lift right leg a couple of times if you wish. Bring your hands back on the mat. Chaturanga, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Hips high, breathe deeply. Lower knees, melt hard toward the mat in Anahatasana. Sit back on your feet. Interlace your fingers behind you. Inhale, lift, and exhale, fold. Let arms fall forward. Rise to kneeling, hands to our back or heels, open the heart for camel pose. Release down and rest in child's pose. Rise up and go to lizard pose, this time left leg forward. Rise up, extend the left leg. To a lunge. Rise to high lunge. Right arm forward, twist. High lunge. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus. Transition to side plank, right hand on the floor. You can lift the left leg a couple of times if you wish. And go to downward facing dog. Step forward. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, jump, lower. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Step left foot forward. Arms up for warrior 1. Open to side, warrior 2. Reverse warrior. Elbow to knee. Option to bind. Sweep arms down. Transition to warrior 3. Transition to seated half squat. Left leg extended, right knee bent. Turn to the other side of the mat and go to downward facing dog. Step right foot forward, warrior 1, warrior 2, reverse warrior, side ankle, elbow to knee, optional bind. Transition to warrior 3. Left leg back for half squat. Go to the middle, move into wide leg forward fold. Turn forward. Chaturanga, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Lift right leg up, flip over, open the chest for wild thing. and transition to fallen star. And from here over to seated. Inhale and exhale, fall forward. Right arm behind, lift hips, return briefly to fallen star. And from here slide into swan. Right knee forward, square the hips. Bend the back leg, catch the foot for mermaid. Right leg crosses over left, twist gently for Matsyendrasana. Turn to front, stack the knees, and fall forward for shoelace pose. Extend left leg, bend right knee, inhale up and fall forward for Janu Shirsasana. Go back to downward facing dog. Left leg up for Wild Thing. Transition to Fallen Star. And forward fold. Back to Fallen Star. Left knee forward for Swan. Mermaid. Twist gently for Matsyendrasana. Come back for shoelace. Extend the right leg, left knee bend, Janu Shirsasana. Extend both legs, prepare for upward plank, lift hips, open the front body. Come back to the mat, inhale toe and exhale, release toward the feet. Lie down on the mat, catch ankles, inhale lift for bow pose. Forearms on the mat, heart forward, inhale for Sphinx pose. Come onto all fours, left leg extended to the side, right arm up, inhale, and thread the needle. Inhale, come back and switch sides, right leg extended, left arm up and under the right. You can do a headstand, prepare and hold if it's in your practice. Come back to the mat. Rest in child's pose or rabbit pose. Lie down, hug the right knee and twist to the side. Come back to center, hug the left knee and twist to the other side. Hug both knees, rock side to side. Stand and rest in Shavasana. Extend your legs, arms at your side, close your eyes, let go. Notice your breath, feel the ground beneath you. With each exhale, soften a little more. Let the breath return to its natural rhythm. There's nothing to do now, nowhere to be, just in this moment, in this stillness. Begin to return slowly. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, maybe roll the head gently side to side. Gently press up to seated position, keeping your eyes soft or closed. Hands can rest on your knees or at your heart. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Honor the stillness you've cultivated. Carry it with you. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste.